Hi, I'm Dr. Hamilton.
And I'm Dr. Yeung, and we're with Atlanta Dental Spa out of the Johns Creek location. We just wanted to spend a few seconds highlighting a product that we recently started using about 3 to 4 years ago based on the recommendation of our hygienist, Sheresa Wood. She initially brought this product to us and told us that they had some great results in terms of soft tissue healing when it came to cleanings and deep cleanings. And so we gave it a shot, noticed we had great results, and decided to take it upon and try for our surgical procedures.
As a matter of fact, Sheresa's son came in for his wisdom teeth removal, and upon Sheresa's recommendation of the products, we actually started to use it on her son pre-operatively. We used the rinse, we used the gel, we used the pre and probiotics, and the results after his procedure were phenomenal. The soft tissue healing, the tissue leading up to the procedure was great, but then that also led to the wonderful results of the healing tissue after the procedure as well. So we actually started implementing using StellaLife pre-operative and postoperatively for all of our soft tissue surgical procedures.
We highly recommend that you give this product a chance. I don't think you'll be disappointed.